This was a fun one. Had this early Gen 1 Bentley Continental Flying Spur come in for a paint correction and ceramic coating. It's probably never been polished before based on its appearance. And this paint had every type of defect you could imagine. Deep scratches, light swirls, tons of contamination, etching, repaint, overspray. There was just no shortage of fun challenges all across the way. There was a ton of paint on this vehicle. Yeah, we have like 7.5 to 8 to work with. That is a lot of clear coat. Bentley knows these vehicles are gonna hang around for a long time and that their owners like them to look nice, so they put some extra thick clear coat on there to make sure that the car can be polished over and over and keep looking great for decades. Here's an auditory representation of the contamination. As you can hear, it's all gone here. And of course, here is the 50-50 after the compounding step, super dramatic there. We had to clay bar out some of the overspray and there was just tons of weird oxidation. It almost felt like a single stage paint job. We didn't get much footage of polishing because how condensed the timeline was on this vehicle and we didn't have time to film it all, but man, did it come out so good. The black paint with all of that depth, we were able to really cut hard and then finish it out with a polishing step. And in the sun, in the lights, in the clouds here, it doesn't matter where it was, this thing was just a mirror. Hard to believe how shiny a car could even be, especially when you see these shots in the sun. For an all-black car to shine like this in direct sunlight is a huge challenge, especially considering this was a one-day job and how bad the car actually was when it came in. This was easily one of my most dramatic before and afters, and it was such a great challenge to be able to restore such a beautiful and iconic vehicle like this to such an amazing condition. It's a shame that so many of these early Continentals have fallen into disrepair in the hands of depreciated 5th and 7th owners, but I was really glad that this one decided to invest in its appearance, and I think he definitely got his money's worth out of this one. If you're in the Denver area and want a similar transformation for your car, please reach out and we can work something out and get your vehicle looking brand new again and protected just like this one.